How to use TikTok analytics to grow account. To grow your TikTok account using analytics, you can switch your profile to a creator. To do so, first open up TikTok, head up to profile. Now for creator access, the creator studio access, you need to have minimum 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. However, you can switch to business or creator account by heading into settings and privacy. And from here, heading into account and switching to business or creators tab. Now, once you have done so, what you can also do is you can head over to analytics tab. Under every video, you'll find more insights where you can find the analytics, or you can head over to the menu as usual and then head into TikTok Studio and view the analytics tab right here and overall view, find your most viewed videos, look at the topic, hook and pacing, and you can copy the similar niche. You can also click the new followers tab to see which specific video convinced people to follow you, and you can create a replica or replicate the style as well. And you can also view the retention graph for certain videos, and you can make similar hooked videos. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.